Oh, hi guys. Now this is Ken Ochilo back again in my channel, and also thank you for the support you have given me. I don't take it for granted. And if you have not subscribed, please do so, because you are missing out. There's a lot of information that we are sharing here that will help you, because I know each and every one of us need to have a house and also need information to make life easier. So today I just wanted to clarify on two things. You see this house behind me. So this house, it was I just want to talk about the roofing. The roofing was the gray in color. So there is an issue which is most of the people don't know about this, and it's affect a lot of us because lack of information. So when you are buying or you are planning to buy iron sheet, I want you to consider two things. Never go for this color, the gray. Never go for gray, and never go for the red. The reason why, they fade a lot, they fade very fast. If you check along, maybe whenever you are within your community, you will find all the roofings which were done with the color gray have faded. Within a lapse of 1 year or maybe 2, they have faded. Even some even fade less than a year. Maybe 6 months, they have started fading away. So like this, it has really faded. You can't even I don't know if you can see. I'll show you. You can't even know which color was this. And it's not that I'm also campaigning. They have not paid me, but I just want to clarify. There are companies that you can use their iron sheet, but you can use any color that you like, and they will not disappoint you. But there are a lot of companies, like now in Kenya, we have a lot of companies which have come up, and they are doing great things also. But now the shade of gray and red have really given them a lot of problems. So if you are buying from RM, I'm not going to mention any, because I don't want to have a problem with these guys. They might see my video, and I don't want to have those problems. So if you need, you can inbox me. I can tell you the best company to buy the iron sheet from. They will not disappoint you. But this one, the gray, be very careful with the gray and also the red. So if you fall in the two, you just make sure you have a better, just be sure with your MABATI, because they have really given people a lot of problems. But the other colors you can buy any company, be it green, be it the black, be it the normal these normal colors like maybe blue or any other. Those one you can buy from any company. They will not disappoint you. It will also depend on the quality. But for the gray, just to make sure the gray are not in your list of the batis, unless you are buying from another company. Sana Royal Mabati. If you're buying from the Royal Mabati, which they call RNN Royal Mabati, then you can buy the gray. Their royal gray, their gray, I've seen it a lot of places. They have never disappointed. I've contacted a lot of the technicians, and they really recommend that. So be careful. Also, another thing about them, when you're talking about the roofing also, the color, the choice of the color will also determine how your roof will look like. Because you find someone might go for a different color and design, then you get someone who is not that competent enough that can give you that beautiful roofing. Then you miss out on that. Your house, you'll see, have person A and person B. We have the same design, the same color, but mine is not looking beautiful like the other one. and that one is because of the hiyo tunaita mkono ya mtu haitoki vizuri, but so avoid such. So make sure that before you do a roofing, the roofing is what will make your house look better from outside. That what will sell mostly. Then the inside of the house also will determine, a lot of things will determine, but the first thing which will sell your house is the finish on the outside, and most likely it will be roofing. If it's not hidden roof, it will be roofing, the design and the finishing, how it's done. So a lot of people mix up, like there are a lot of ways on how to do certain designs of the iron sheets, which need the experts to be done, and also those also will make you avoid the leakages, because like there's certain way where you are supposed to do the nails, and there's a position that you are not supposed to do the nails. So you find someone who don't have idea will do nailing on the wrong side, and that will bring a lot of leakages when it rains. So make sure that one is considered. So I didn't have much about the roofing. I just wanted to pass that information, because we have realized there's a lot of problem. Mostly those who are coming from the mashinani, they don't have a lot of information about this, so they're just given because most of the people are using the gray. Their roofings are, a lot of them are graying. The charcoal gray, there's dark gray, there's how do we call it, the ash gray. A lot of people are using that, but they lack the information that those they are prone to fading than other areas. So just make sure you avoid such areas, and also make sure you use the rubber when doing when doing your roofing. Make sure you use the rubber. So up to there, don't have a lot. I think I've shared enough information about that. Maybe I'll also, one day I will also share more. I'll still doing a lot of research concerning the roofing and the MABATIs in different companies, which one day I'll just share with you here in this channel. And up to there, I think we have done much, and I just want to ask you, if you have not considered, please subscribe to my channel, and also make sure the bell button is on, so that you can watch whenever I upload a new video, because we are here to learn, we are here to change life, we are here to make sure that each and every one of us get it easy when it comes to the information, and also making sure that we have our decent houses. However it's small it is, it's beautiful, it should be beautiful, and it should be admirable. It will only be admirable if you use the right things, the right procedures, and use the right to get the right information. So the right information you can only get from the channels like this one of Ken Uchilo. So make sure you be among the community members, so that we share a lot of information. So also give me your thoughts in the comment section, your views and everything that you think needed to be done. Maybe the information I might have missed, or you also have information that we can add to help someone else, not me alone, and other people. So up to there, thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Otherwise, thank you. By the way, we are still at Kisumu. We are still working on this house. Today is Tuesday, and you know the desturi ya siku hizi, Tuesday is a maandamano day, so we don't work. We were supposed to go and get some tilings from Kisumu CBD, but it could not happen because of the demonstrations. So a lot of the stores have closed, so we were just resting around and doing just small few things here and there. So up to there, that's what we have done. So we are waiting for tomorrow so that we can do a few items. We are just remaining with it because, like I showed you, we have finished up with the gypsum. We have also finished up with the kitchen cabinetry. Now we were to do the tilings and also the paint work, but the paint work will come later. We want to finish up with the tilings. After the tilings, then we will do the paint. After the paint is when we'll do the fixing of the maybe electrical works. That will become later. After that, actually after the tilings, we'll do plumbing. We will fix the toilets and also maybe just a few things there. So just be around. All the information and all the photos and all that we have done here, we will make sure that you get them in time. And if you have any question, just ask in the comment section. You can also inbox me. And also, again, it's not bad, but we are doing this just to we are also doing the advert of our work so that maybe you can get clients. So if you have a job that you might need us to do for you, just my number will always be running across my videos. So just text me on WhatsApp. You can call me as well so that we can work on your project. So be my next client and make sure that your house will be the next that will feature in this channel. Up to there, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.
Wanya chori ji ariyo chor bene chor kendo
Kama kikitere chuny bura ahinya. Ng'eni kiting'o mana to dhi slide matin. Ma agoi gi kidi sani marach.
Twende wasee wanaume. Twende yu. Wadhi uru.
Twende.
Yaani chori mbele, chori choyo.
Twende.
Yu, chori uru.
Twende. Haya, wadhi. Inua. Umeruweyo. Oh, lo. Onge. Ang'o mamoko e kor yamo?
Wadhi uru. Wadhi uru kuwe. Twende. Wasito twende. Twende. Siuru wa. Siuru makama. Ingu bi tawal.
Twende wadhi.
Siuru wa. Tingu mondi fall we dol. Wali direct. 1 2 3 twende.
Twende.
Oh, tol ko we mondi. Wadi.
Aya.
Kero.
Ikuwe.
Wadi.
Ebe ne ngani de ba.
Wadi. Kuwa. Ah, twende. Kuwe. Wadi. Wadi.
Aya, wa. Twende.
Wadi twende. Wadi uru.
Twende.
Wadi uru wa. Wadi mwende wanaume. Usiti wanaume. Twende. 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 Wadi uru. Wadi uru boy. Wadi uru. Wadi uru boy. You are. Aya, twende. 1 2 3. Wadi. Twende. Wadi uru. Opek. Adi. Adi dulu kan. Support. Support. Hey! Chai. Moro temi chwak chai. Muro mera. Iwinjo wach ni nadi?